things chasing me around. So Yordis got a drone recently and has been certified as a pilot, and now we're learning how to do cool things like tracking shots using the automated modes in the DJI drone. And so that means I go from being behind the camera to being in front of it, being chased by a drone as we make some safe flights here and learn about all the different camera modes and flight modes that are possible. Already these shots are pretty usable. It's nice that you can get a 360. It's nice you can get a tracking. And it's cool when you saw how I opened up this scene with a handheld shot running to get a different shot that matches the drone footage and the moment in the field.